Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another concealer review. I've been like a concealer queen lately. I have accumulated so many, mostly drugstore, and I've just been loving trying them out. I don't know why. And my dog just decided to grab a crinkly toy to chew on during this video. Millie, come on, out, get out. Thank you. So, I already have my eyeshadow done and my foundation. Foundation today is the Thrive Cosmetics Buildable Blur CC Cream. We are going to be trying out this bad boy right here, the Jeffree Star Concealer in C6. Now, I highly recommend trying to find this in a Morphe store near you. I was going to buy C4 online after looking at pictures. I thought that's what was going to suit me, but once I saw them in store, they're a lot lighter in real life than they look online. So that's just a note right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to test it on both sides of my eye. One just patting in with my finger and then one with the beauty blender. I use both methods usually when I'm on the go, or I use a foundation like this where I'm using like an artiste brush or a kabuki brush or something like that. I just use my fingertips. So we're gonna try both out and see what the best option is. All right, zoomed you guys in. So we're gonna go in with this side, and that's what we're going to use the beauty blender for. It's thin, which I like, but looks like really great coverage. Sorry, I just had to zoom the guys out a little bit. Okay, so going in with the damp beauty sponge, not beauty blender, it's the Real Techniques Miracle Blending Sponge or something like that. Wow, okay. Very, very pigmented. And this shade is very brightening. Blend it in with my foundation. Wow, okay, so super light, bright. This is me normally. Wow, that is crazy. That's so good. And it looks super flawless too. Like blurred, not cakey and crepey. It is settling into my wrinkles right here. I don't know if you can see those, but every single concealer I've ever tried does that. So like I'm used to it. I'm not too bothered by it, but like I love how it has just meshed with my foundation so well. Like you can't see a stop and a finish. It's just blurred into it. Okay, awesome. So let's try with the finger. The same amount. I am still seeing a little bit of blue in there, just a touch. So I'm gonna try. Oh my god, okay. For this, if you're using your finger, a little bit goes a long way. Whereas like the sponge obviously soaked up some product. Okay, so it's not like really blending out that well with my finger. So I'm just going in with my sponge. Yeah, the sponge seems the way to go with this. Still seeing a little bit of blue, just like a touch, which isn't like the worst thing in the world. Right here, I do have very colorful under eyes because I am Eastern European, and that is a trait that I got from that. So fun. But I really am loving this concealer, so let's set it and see how it reacts with powder, because sometimes some concealers can react weirdly. This is the Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. No, it's still good. Still super bright, flawless finish, even with powder on. I've had definitely some concealers oxidize when you put powder on it, and that's no bueno, but this one is good. Look at that, like so bright compared to where we started. I'm really loving this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my makeup and then come back and share my final thoughts. Okay guys, so my makeup is finished. I am ready for work. While I was getting ready, my dog tipped over an entire glass of water and it went all over me. So I've been trying to like zhuzh myself up, fix things. You know, my eyebrows haven't been cooperating, my lashes, my liner, my lips, it's all not cooperating. So it's just one of those days. Anyways, let's focus on the concealer. So it's just giving off like a little dryness. I have dry under eyes. This isn't really bothering me that much, so I'm okay with it. If you need it to be super creamy and hydrating underneath, this might not be for you. Doesn't bother me, it's just sitting kind of matte. And I did set it with powder, so, but some concealers are drier than others. This, I want to say, might be a little bit on the dry side. Not too bad though. But it's still bright, it's still concealing. Still a little bit of blueness going on in the inner corners. I don't know if you can see that or if it's getting blown out, but I can see it a little bit in real life. But overall, I really like this. I think it is great. Packaging, not my favorite. It's a little gaudy, but you know, whatever. But I am very impressed with this and I give it an A+. So if you can get your hands on this, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, so I would say this is very comparable to the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour wear one, if you want to save some money on that. But yeah, those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.